Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Shopify development store for free. This is useful if you want to practice using Shopify, build a store for a client, or learn how everything works before paying for a real store. You do not need to pay to start this kind of store. You just need a Shopify partner account, and then you can make a free store that you can use for testing and learning. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Go to Shopify Partners. First, open your browser and search for Shopify Partners. Once you're on the Shopify Partners page, sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Just follow the steps on the page. Add your name, email, and the details they ask for. After that, you will be taken to your Shopify Partner area. This is the place where you can make and manage your free Shopify stores. Step 2. Open the Store section. Now that you're inside your Shopify Partner area, look for the Store section. This is where you can see the stores you already have. If this is your first time, this page may be empty, and that is okay. You are going to create a new store from here. Look for a button that says Become a Partner. Click that button so you can start making your free Shopify development store. Step 3. Choose Development Store. After clicking the button, log into your Shopify account or create a new one. Then you can choose what the store is for. You can choose the option that fits your goal. For example, you can say you are building a store for a client, testing an idea, or learning how Shopify works. Do not worry too much about this part. Just pick the option that is closest to what you're doing. The main point is that you are making a free store that you can work on before anyone starts paying for it. Next, Shopify will ask you to select your business location. Select your country and your region from the dropdown and click on the Next button to proceed. Lastly, fill in your business details. After you create your Shopify Partner account, Shopify may ask you to create a partner organization. This is the account area where your stores will be managed. Now you need to fill in your business details. Add your business name, your country, and your business address. Make sure the address is correct because Shopify uses this information to set up your partner organization. If you are just learning or practicing, still fill in the details as best as you can. Take your time and check everything before moving forward. Once all the details are filled in, look for the button that says Create Partner Organization. And that's how you set up a Shopify development store for free. This is a simple way to practice Shopify, build a store, or prepare a store for a client without paying at the start. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.